So you've probably heard it said before that when it comes to making money online, high ticket commissions are a game changer. And the thinking behind this is because typically when you get an affiliate commission, you do the same amount of work to get maybe $5 or $10 as you would to get $1,000. Now you might be thinking, well, that can't be true, Trev. You know, how could we possibly do the same amount of work to earn just a few dollars or to earn $1,000? Well, it's really simple actually, and that's because it's the sales page that does all the work for you. All right, so your job is just to get people to click on your affiliate link, and however you do that, as long as they're kind of targeted people coming through to your affiliate link, once they click on your affiliate link, so that's the link that's coded to you, and when somebody buys, you get paid the commission. Once they click on that link, they go to the sales page for that offer. Now, if that offer is selling something maybe at $9.95, and then it might have a funnel with upsells and stuff, that sales page is going to sell that offer. But if that offer is selling something that's $1,000, $2,000, then again, that sales page is going to sell that offer and do all the work for you. But the thing is, it's not always easy to find high ticket offers. First of all, high ticket offers that you can get approved to promote. And secondly, you need to find high ticket offers that are actually converting. So these are a couple of hurdles that you need to overcome in order to get some results with high ticket sales. And also ideally what you want is a way that you can get those high ticket sales without you having to do much of the work, if not any of the work. And there actually is a way that you can do that. All right, there is a program that has just launched, but I must tell you, it's closing today. Now, I have mailed out my list, so you may have seen information on this, but I didn't have a chance to do a review for you. But today, that's exactly what I've got for you here. I'm going to go inside the product. I'm going to show you inside the members area. I'm going to show you the sales page briefly. I'm going to show you that it's a double product of the day winner. So it's been awarded product of the day twice in the space of a few days. And I'm also going to show you my massive bonus bundle that you get completely free when you buy this through me. I've gone into the members area, as you're going to see in a second, and I know that this is a solid program. So I've got no problem recommending this. And the two guys behind it, Jono and Robin, I know personally. So you can relax, you're in safe hands, and this has got every chance of making you some really decent high ticket commissions without doing the work. All right, somebody else is actually going to be doing the work for you. So let's go and see how that's going to happen. So here we are on the sales page, and the headline says $1,000 commissions without selling. How? Meet the world's first 100% automated AI super affiliate. It also says over here, this entire process is built on years of real world results. This isn't theory, it's battle tested. No selling, no talking, no showing your face, just trigger the sequence and let it do what it was built to do. So I've taken a look inside the members area. So this is the sales page. Come through this at your leisure and you can get a bit more of an idea of what this is about. It's not too salesy for a sales page, and it does give you a little bit of information that, I mean, as you can see, there's not a lot of sales copy, so you can just go through there and take a look. Now, just before I go to inside the members area, I just want to say this is a double deal of the day now. So we can see May the 17th, this has got deal of the day, and May the 14th, this has got deal of the day. Also need to tell you that this is closing today, so this you need to jump on this as soon as you see this video. The deal of the day headline says, meet the world's first AI super affiliate closes 1K sales for you. Something new just dropped, and if you move fast, you could be one of the first to use it. So also here it says no audience needed, no tech headaches, no sales calls ever. You don't have to talk to anyone, you don't have to make any content, you don't have to build any funnels, and you can do all that even without knowing what you're doing. So here is inside the members area. First of all, this introduction here is it's saying here register for the live training. So just being completely transparent, this is going to be a webinar pitch. They are going to have you on a webinar and they are going to pitch you their back-end offer. You probably know that. That's how this business works. And then to get into the actual content of the program itself, we've got the start here, what you just unlocked, and grab your high ticket money link. So let's take a look at what you just unlocked. If I just play this. Welcome aboard. So you can see you've got a proven product to promote. No need to find offers or get approved. AI-powered tools that generate viral posts, direct message scripts and follow-up content, all customized for you, and a step-by-step process built to help you get results even if you're brand new. So that's the first part of it. Now this is the offer that you're going to be promoting without doing anything. Everything is completely taken care of for you. inside a school group, and all of this is covered in the training. Very, very simple to get started, and you literally just let the system do the work for you. So you get a special affiliate link that takes them through to join the school group for free, and then they're going to promote the high ticket with your affiliate link automatically via that school group. So you don't have to do anything other than get people to join the free school group. So it's pretty simple, you know, low barrier to entry. It's going to be very easy to get people into this, and then the system does the work for you, and you can be earning high ticket commissions like $1,000 commissions. Then step 2, you've got your traffic generator, then you've got your viral poster, and step 3 is the high ticket AI generator. And then we've got the bonuses here. So you've got Profit Pick Pro, Clone Yourself, the free traffic high ticket blueprint, and bypass ChatGPT's limits for free. Now, Clone Yourself is very interesting because I've noticed that Robin, this is Robin here, well actually it's not, it's an AI version, but I've noticed that he's been using a lot of AI versions of himself, and as you can see, these look pretty good, and he's going to teach you exactly how he does that in these videos. All right, so I've got to be honest with you, that alone is worth getting this program for, but of course that's just a little part of it. So I've got a lot of bonuses for you today, but here are the ones that we just looked at in a little bit more detail. So bonus number 1, the Profit Pick Pro enables you to create viral ready images in seconds, no camera, no Canva, no problem. And it says, want to post daily without taking awkward selfies or spending hours on design? Profit Pick Pro gives you stunning, ready-to-go image content for your social media posts. Then Clone Yourself, as I said, that's the one that I think is brilliant in here. Then you've got the free traffic blueprint, which teaches you how to get free traffic, and then ChatGPT Unleashed, which is to unleash God mode on ChatGPT, no more filters and no more limits. All right, so they're the bonuses that are included in the members area, plus you've got my bonuses as well. So I'm going to give you the Inbox Igniter app, also going to give you unlimited done for you websites and bonus page builder apps, going to give you Rank Master, I'm going to give you a full 12-part YouTube ads course, going to give you TweetX, 6-figure secrets, Les Banks, and I'm also going to give you all of this training that I've done myself for you. So you're going to get how to create your own stunning PLR colouring pages, how to make your own digital PLR colouring books to sell and keep all the money, how to make money online with Warrior Plus as an affiliate, my full Midjourney Magic training program, Midjourney web-based training, super realistic text-to-speech and how to use AI to make money, how to create an amazing lead magnet and build your list using AI, how to make money online with PLR, how to make money online with simple affiliate reviews, and Warrior Plus affiliate training step by step. Also going to give you why being over 50 years old isn't too late to make money online, and of course it works if you're under 50. And I'm going to give you my Intrinsic Masterclass 1.0, which sold at $497, where you get to follow me in real time as I choose some PLR, rebrand it, pimp it, recreate it, set up the sales doc, access doc, launch it and mail it, and then I give you the product at the end of that. All right, so you're going to get all of those bonuses completely free when you pick up the Auto High Ticket Cloaker through me today. So that's Auto High Ticket Cloaker. Don't forget, as I said, this is closing today, so you need to jump on this immediately if you want to get it at this price and you want to get all those bonuses. All right, so you can't hang around on this one. And I'm sure that you can see that this is a no-brainer and it's got to be worth a punt, right? You can see how simple it is, and somebody else is doing all the selling for you. Now, obviously, the person that's doing all the selling, the person that's set all this up and is getting all the sales that you're making commissions on, they're making money as well because they're getting half of the sale, right? So you're making a lot of money on these sales, but so are they. So it's in their best interest to make sure that it converts and they get you those sales. That's why this stuff works. So go ahead, click on the link below this video now, pick this up, make sure you buy it through my link. To check that you are cookie to me, all you need to do is on the checkout page, that's where you pay the money, so where you see the price, where you put in your card details to pay the money. On that checkout page on Warrior Plus, down the bottom are the words powered by Warrior Plus. There's a little round person icon, hover over that, you're looking for my name, Trevor C. That is me. If you see that, your bonuses will be ready and waiting for you inside your Warrior Plus account. In order to access your bonuses, once you've made the purchase, all you need to do is log into Warrior Plus, go to your name, top right hand corner, drop down to purchase history. On purchase history, go to the Auto High Ticket Cloaker purchase, and there you will see a blue link to my bonuses, and you've got instant access to all those beautiful bonuses that I showed you. Instant access. There's no claiming. They're there, ready and waiting for you. All right, so go ahead and do that now, and I'll see you soon. You take care. All the best.